Hey guys, welcome back to the another vlog of Life of Myth. आप लोगों ने पिछले vlog में देखा I was so frustrated because of all this booster shot thing, and but I was like okay with that, and I thought that's fine because again I got the vaccine back in India and I want to get the booster over here in Ontario. So what happened, if you guys watched that previous vlog, I reached to the Peel region. There was a long queue, so I dropped that idea to get the booster on that day, and I preferred to call them directly to see if they can help me. So what happened today? Today I called them, and what they said, so again, the number I got it yesterday, I call on that number today, and they said they don't handle the vaccine thing, and they gave me the another number, and again I call on that number. After waiting of 2 hours in a row, someone picked the call, and she said, I got the lady on the call, and the lady said to me, as you already submitted the vaccination report, you should wait for at least 1 to 2 weeks, and you will get an update once the review is done, and then you would be only eligible to get the booster shot. So that was done. I asked her probing question like, do I need to update anywhere? Do I need to go and check with anyone? She said, no, that's fine. You did what you're supposed to. Now you have to wait for the review to be complete. So that was that was done. That was the last part of the vlog, which I didn't add it because I called them today to get this thing done. Now actually मैं सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत एक्टिव रहता हूँ, एंड दिस सीजन इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट 6 months, because the year is about to end within a 2 day. So first 6 months was worst month of the year. Nothing happened good in the first 6 months. मेरे क्लोज रिलेटिव्स की डेथ हो गई, एंड बहुत सारे इश्यूज हुए फर्स्ट 6 months में until जून. एंड जून के बाद मुझे पीआर, मैं इंडिया से यहाँ आया, मुझे पीआर मिली, मुझे अच्छी जॉब मिल गई, जिसकी पे स्केल भी बहुत अच्छी है. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट आई बॉट मर्सिडीज बेंज, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट बिफोर बाइंग द मर्सिडीज बेंज आई बॉट द मैकबुक. I bought the MacBook Pro as well, MacBook Pro, and I moved over here in this house. And after buying the Mercedes-Benz, I got the TV too. The TV is also here. Now the only thing was left, and that's the necessary thing to me to get it. And working with this company, the company where I'm working right now, it's like the huge benefit working with this company, not only in terms of money but in terms of work, in terms of many things you can say. And कुछ दिनों नहीं, आई थिंक सो 2 दिन पहले मैंने पोस्ट किया था कि द डील वाज डन. आई वाज इन द कॉल फॉर मोर देन 1 hour and the deal was done, and I hope so I'll get the gift, you can say the new year gift, either one day prior of the ending of this year or maybe in the coming week of the new year. So I did spend a lot of money. I did really spend a lot of money. पता नहीं क्या है. But anyways, so I posted and I asked if anyone can guess. Please let me know what I'm going to gift to myself in this new year. Very rare people respond. Most of the people, they didn't care what I'm gonna get, but that's fine because again I'm gonna give to myself, not to anyone else, so whatever. तो उस दिन मैंने डील डन की, और Sakar was also looking for the same thing. Again, Sakar is in the blog. It's in this blog too. So Sakar was looking for the same thing. I mean, like he was not initially looking for the same thing, but again at the end when he realized I'm getting the better deal, he thought why not he will get the same thing too. So I went outside today and I checked everything. That was like online delivery, not for the pickup. But somehow Sakar got the pickup option. So I said, if he is able to get the pickup option, why not me? And after calling these people for the pickup, the item should be available in the store. So for the pickup, I called them. I asked them to check in the trunk. They said that is not available for the that is not available for the pickup. I said, how it is not available? Because my friend is getting. So I asked him to check anywhere near 50-60 kilometer. I don't mind driving down there to get it. So the agent was in the call with me. He checked for the Toronto, he checked for the Hamilton, he checked for the Burlington, he checked for the Brampton, he checked for the Mississauga, he checked for the Kitchener too. But there was not a single store they do have that item. And I was like kind of a hope. I already, I was not that much happy, but again, I'm happy on the side by side because my friend is getting that item. And I'm fine. Like, I already had a mindset, it doesn't matter, I can wait. But again, if he's getting, why not me? So I asked Sakar, you know what, let's go. Because either way, we are going for him to get that item. So we went into the store and you know what, like, again, anything happen in my life, I have to do everything twice. Not a single thing in my life happened in a once. So I placed the order yesterday, I canceled that order today, and again I placed the order for the pickup. And when we went in the store, he said, yeah, let me go and check it. And he came with the two. He came with the two items, and like I was super happy. But you know what? I left my home at 12 and I came at 7, so it's nearly 7 hours we were outside. And it's not like for the item which we are looking for. There were like several things which we are looking for. But anyways, so थोड़ा सा फ्लैशबैक में जाते हैं और मैं आप लोगों को दिखाता हूँ कि हुआ क्या. सकार को मिल रहा था पहली बार फ़ोन. सकार आया फ़ोन लेने. सकार का प्लान हुआ कैंसिल. Plan is still active. But he's not able to get the phone. सकार कुछ कहना है? कुछ नहीं कहना है सकार को. So हम आए थे फ़ोन लेने. एक्चुअली मैंने ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर प्लेस किया था. सकार ने किया था पिकअप. He got the phone somehow. हमारे ब्रेमली सिटी सेंटर. सब कुछ डन होने के बाद सकार का प्लान हो गया कैंसिल. मैंने अपना किया प्लान कैंसिल और पिकअप पे किया है. अब देखते हैं कि क्या होता है. एंड वी आर गेटिंग सेम फ़ोन, सेम कलर. आई होप सो वी विल गेट. अदरवाइज हम दोनों को मेरे आईफोन 10 और इसका 12 के साथ जाना पड़ेगा. देखते हैं कि क्या होता है. सो दिस इज द बेल स्टोर वेयर वी आर हियर.
As well, right?
So Sakar is shoes first.
Okay, so I really appreciate your help. Is there anything else that I need here?
क्या करना है? फ़ोन आ गया तेरा?
मुझे कोई इतना एक्साइटमेंट नहीं है.
कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है फ़ोन में, लेकिन ये भी फिर भी मुंह उठा के लेने आ गया आईफोन 13. ये मिला
मैं
है.
अपनी बहन को दे दूँगा.
डोनेटर. तो आईफोन 13 प्रो अपनी सिस्टर को देने वाला है.
हाँ, उसके पास वो है ना 12 प्रो, मैं वो ले लूँगा.
चलो. Sakar the Iron Man. He got his phone, he got his deal done. कि मेरे साथ कोई पंगा ना हो, बट नहीं होगा. जब इसको मिल गया फ़ोन तो मुझे भी मिल ही जाना है. Sakar is all set for the phone.
Okay.
Ready to pay.
Tap doesn't work right after.
Tap won't work because it's legit. The top limit is 250. Yeah, government raises it, so you'd have to insert. Oh, yours is 100. Okay. Our store can go up to 250, but yeah, personally, my bank card just says 100. So.
और Sakar can track it.
Just need card number.
Enter it up, sir. Check it out.
There you go. Oh, खुल जा something. So Sakar, pull it off. He didn't want to do that.
I already have it.
Oh. Cool.
सरकार ने फोन चालू किया. ओए होए होए होए, देख कैसे दिखा रहा है. सरकार, you don't want to open?
Wow. Your hour is already done, sir? It's active already.
Okay.
Good.
There you go.
I'm happy.
There you go.
I really wanted it to be active before you left the store based on everything that already happened.
Yeah.
And sir, yes, everything is active here. Thank you so much.
No
Alright.
worries.
Can you swipe up on the home for me?
No. Yes, now it's
There you
We're
go.
all good, brother. Thank you so much. Take care today. But I really appreciate your patience.
all right. नीचे से अभी पिताजी खोलेंगे. Close this. Turn it down. Then open from here.
So there you go. Sakar, I need the needle. All right. And there you go. Come on. Okay, thank you. जी सरकार फोन ले लिया. The screen guard is done. Okay, so आप लोगों को तो अच्छा क्लू मिल गया कि वो आइटम क्या था. And yeah, so the phone is here. And this is the last vlog I'm shooting from my iPhone X, which is 4-year-old phone. And I can see the pixels on the screen. The video quality is not great, but that's fine. That's not a problem because I want to make this memory, because that's the last vlog I'm gonna shoot. Most of the vlogs I'm shooting from my camera, but again, this is the last vlog I'm gonna shoot on my phone, so that's totally fine. Anyways, guys, why I had this on my phone, because Sakar got the same phone, same color, everything same. It's like identical phone, so I had to keep it here so that we don't mix up. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, 128 gig, and let me open it. There is a bill. There is one more bill. We don't need to go on the bill. मिलता क्या है? फोन के साथ मिलता है Type-C cable, but again there is a same point to charge the phone, so that will work. Nothing but just this, booklet, and that's all. Nothing in this box, nothing. So again, Sakar said if you're gonna buy this phone, you should buy that fast charger. So we looked at all the store, and I got the fast charger. So this is the fast charger from the Apple. I was keeping in my pocket. So this is the fast charger I got. So this is the thing. The phone is back. And I put the tempered glass too. So and that's the tempered glass, which has the same black bezel which I have in my phone, in the iPhone X, and the cover is also nice, as you can see. So yes, I bought my iPhone 13 Pro Max 128 gig. And why I bought 128 gig? Right now in my iPhone X, I have 256 gig, but I thought to downgrade in the memory size, because again, I'm not keeping a lot of things in my phone, so I prefer to go on the 128, which is fine. So as you all know, the bezel is very short, the camera is very nice. Let's set up this phone, and that's all for today's vlog. I'm gonna end this vlog. My new year, this year, the half year, the 50% of this year was very nice. एंड मेरी यही इच्छा है, मतलब मेरी यही आशा है और मेरी यही होप है कि आप सभी लोगों का ये जो साल जो गुजरा है अच्छा गुजरे, एंड आने वाले नए साल के अंदर आप सब लोगों को सब कुछ मिले जो आप चाहते हैं, एंड लाइफ में आप सब कुछ हासिल कर सकें, लेकिन मेहनत करना ना भूलिए। एंड जब आप मेहनत करते हैं तो आपको कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ नहीं लाइफ में जो आप नहीं ले सकते। आई नेवर थॉट अबाउट Mercedes Benz, but it's right here. I got this phone, I got that, like materialistic thing you can buy anytime, but again, you need to be focused, you need to make sure you're working in the right direction, and you have to do hard work to get what you want. So that's the end of this vlog, and मुझे फ़ोन का रिव्यू देने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, because again you already have the good idea through the Google, through the YouTube, so I'm not going to go on the review. But again, I got the iPhone. I don't know why in my mouth it's still coming iPhone X, but again, this is iPhone 13 Pro Max 128 gig. So there you go. Alright guys, मिलता हूँ आप लोगों से अगले vlog में. Till then, bye bye. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And again, Happy New Year. Take care. Bye bye.